Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I visited Lindt Chocolate Factory in this summer 2023 and it was one of the most amazing experience. For all the chocolate lovers out there, Lindt Chocolate Factory is one of the must visit if you are visiting Switzerland. The Lindt Chocolate Factory is located near through the shores of Lake Zurich. So they have this really charming exterior, and then as you enter this factory, I could feel the aroma of chocolate that was filled in the air. For all the chocolate lovers, you would definitely love the chocolate smell that is lingering in this building. And you could see the welcome center there, and then we were just walking around. As you see to the right of the building, you could see a really tall chocolate fountain. As people were taking pictures, we were also very interested to go near. You can't really touch the chocolate, and you can take pictures and videos and walk forward. The Lindt Chocolate Factory also offers a guided chocolate tour or how they are meticulously creating this renowned chocolate. So we have booked a ticket for the chocolate tour for our entire family prior to our arrival. And I was very interested to know how they are preparing the smooth, silky chocolate. So you will be provided with the audio guide tour, which you'll be given a audio machine where you can listen to each step during your tour. As the guided tours begin, you will be walked on to various steps from cocoa cultivation until the final packaging. So there is going to be a long walk. All right. This is the most important side of the building where you get to taste the chocolate that I've made. You could see huge towers of chocolate, which is dark chocolate, white chocolate, and a medium roasted chocolate. And there you can see about the mixers and how they are refined and conched and made into a fine grain chocolate and their signature chocolate. So let's go and taste it. And just like the other kids, I was so excited to taste the chocolate. And I love white chocolate, so I didn't go for the other chocolate tasting. So I went straight to the white chocolate and I took my turn. Yeah, all you have to do is pump that little button and you get the sample and you get to taste it. It was so yummy, so fascinating to taste it. Our experience doesn't end without us tasting the chocolate that is elegantly packaged in that iconic gold wrapping, and it's such a please to our eyes and our taste buds. So I grabbed some, and as I walked out of the chocolate heaven, uh, we'd be just walking down the same way where you can see the chocolate fountain, and we are exiting this chocolate tour. Lindt Chocolate Factory has a really creative way of handing out the sample. You can see how the ball rolls, and then finally we get a sample. It's a mysterious sample. We don't know what chocolate is coming out, but it's one of the kind experience for little kids and me. It doesn't just end there, is it? I want to go to this Lindt factory outlet and I want to buy as much as chocolate that I would want for my entire trip. So as you enter this paradise, you could see so much varieties of chocolate, and kids are so excitingly grabbing all the pralines and Lindt chocolate signature chocolates and what not. You're already seeing it, right? So grab as much as you want, buy it and check out. After buying and after walking around the tour, you'd be definitely tired. To visit the cafe and try their signature hot chocolate drink and some sandwiches as you exit the building. And I hope you enjoyed this tour, and please do subscribe to my channel to enjoy more videos. Thank you. Bye.